So to work on the throat chakra, we can visualize a light blue light irradiating from the front and the back of your neck. Press your hands against each other and your thumbs against your heart. Keep your eyes closed. One of the principles of yoga is non-lying or truthfulness. But this truthfulness should be through your heart, through kindness. So speaking the truth with no harm, with ahimsa. Open your eyes. Inhale, arms up. Tilt your head back. Exhale. Press your hands against each other, thumbs towards your chest. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Bring your arms towards the sky. Look back. So you're making an arch. Inhale deeply. Exhale, fold forwards. Inhale, flatten your back. Exhale, bend your knees, hands on the floor. Jump back into plank. Come over your wrists. You're on your toes. Chaturanga. Roll your toes, up dog. Roll your toes, down dog. Inhale, right leg up. Push your hands onto the floor, push your heel towards the ground. Now look towards your hands. Bring yourselves onto the ball of your left foot and bring your right foot between your hands. Open the chest, lower the hip. And from here, we're going to come into our standing splits. So bring the left leg up. And release for a moment. So I'm going to invite you to catch the foot, but so the left leg with the right hand. Just watch for a moment. You're going to bring the leg up, bend the knee, and find the foot, and then expand. You might want to use a block to be a little bit higher. You might not get to catch the foot. If you don't catch the foot, just keep it straight. Okay, so when you're ready, come into the standing splits. So left leg is up. And try to catch your left foot with your right hand. And then bend the knee, Violeta. And extend the knee upwards if you can. Whee, very good. And release back into your low lunge. I hope this is okay, Kira. Keep your left hand on the floor. Turn your feet outside of the feet. Push your hips up, coming into a twist, opening your hips. And from here, lower down, look towards your left foot. Inhale, push it up. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, push it up. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, push it up. And walk your hands, bring your head towards the floor. Wide-legged forward fold. Inhale, lift your head and walk your hands back towards the front of the mat. Bring your hands firmly on the floor, legs back into plank. Chest over your wrists, bend your elbows, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, bring your left leg up. Look towards your hands, come onto the ball of your foot and your right foot, and bring the left foot between your hands. Lovely. Have your block nearby if you need it. Come into standing splits. And see if you can hold your right foot with your left hand. Trying to push upwards rather than downwards. Extending your shoulder, extending your pecs. Lovely. And release down. It is a tough posture, so don't worry if you are not quite there. Place your hand onto the floor and turn towards your left. Bring it down and up. Bring it down and up. Bring it down and up. And release. Walk your hands between your legs. Let your head release towards the floor. Stretching the back of your legs and your neck and your shoulders. Inhale, lift your head. Walk your hands back towards the front. Bring the leg back into plank. Chest over your wrists. Chaturanga. Up dog. Down dog. 5 breaths in here. Heels towards the floor. Your head is between your arms. Your belly is in towards your lower back. Inhale, look towards your hands. Lift your heels. Bend your knees and step or jump towards your hands. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fall forwards. Rolling up into standing. Exhale, hands towards your heart. Push your hands against each other. Press the thumbs against your chest. Inhaling, exhaling. Feel your heartbeat. Good. We're going to do it once more. So this time, you can take your time. You know what's coming. Shake your arms, shake your legs, shake everything all the way around. If you find that your standing split is very wobbly and you can't really keep it there, you can bring yourselves back against the wall and just focus on that. Just placing your foot against the wall and not try to catch your foot. Okay, let's do it. Feet hip distance. Hands towards your heart. Press the palms towards each other. Elbows out to the side. Press your thumbs against your heart. Think about that clarity of your communication. Speaking the truth, your own truth, through the eyes of ahimsa, non-violence. Vishuddha means purity. And the element related to the throat chakra is ether, akash, which is the element of pure potentiality. Open your eyes. Inhale, arms to the diagonal. Keep your arms straight. Exhale, bring your hands towards your chest. Bow towards your hands. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, keep pressing your hands against each other. Exhale, inhale, exhale. One more, inhale. And as you exhale, bring your arms up, arching back. Inhale here. Exhale, bow towards the ground. Inhale, flatten your back. Exhale, bend your knees, hands by the sides of your feet. Step or jump into plank. Chaturanga. Slide into up dog or cobra. Slide your toes, down dog. Inhale, right leg up. And bring your right foot between your hands. Open your chest, lower your hip. And fly into your standing splits. Hold onto your foot if you can. Left foot with your right hand. And release. Coming into your low lunge. Left hand on the floor. Turn towards your right. Push your hand on the floor. Lift your hip. Exhale, release. Inhale, lift. Exhale, release down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, release down. Inhale, lift. And release your right hand coming into your wide-legged forward fold. Push the hands onto the floor. If headstand is on your practice, you can do it from here. Inhale, lift your head. Come towards the front of your mat. Open your chest. Hands by the sides of the foot. Bring the leg back into plank. Bring your chest over your wrists. Lower into chaturanga. Up dog or cobra. Downward facing dog. Left leg up. Look towards your hands and bring the left foot between your hands. Open the chest. Lower your hip. Inhale here. You can use your block if you want to. We're going to hold the foot with the opposite leg, so standing split. And then bring your right foot towards your buttocks. Left hand holds. Breathe. And exhale, release the leg onto the floor. Left hand is on the ground. Bring yourselves onto the outer edges of both feet. Keep the hips up to start with, arm is up. And then release down. And bring it up. Release down. And up. One more. Down. And up. And release both hands. Walk yourselves into a wide-legged forward fold. If your head is on the floor and your hands can support you and your headstand is part of your practice, you can bring it in right now. Inhale, lift your head. Walk your hands towards the front of the mat. Bring the leg back. Chaturanga. Up dog or cobra. Down dog. 5 breaths here. Inhale, look towards your hands, lift your heels, bend your knees, step or jump towards your hands, flat back. Exhale, fold forwards, soften your knees as you're coming up into standing. And exhale, hands to your heart. And you can release the hands by the sides of your body. Keep your eyes closed, stay in your Tadasana mountain pose. And bring your hands towards your heart. come onto the balls of your feet. Contract your abdomen and come into a squat. Bring your right hand into your left knee. Bring your left arm out. And coming back to center. Change sides. And back to center. And really gently bring yourselves down into the floor. And lie down for your final relaxation. So if you needed to do twist or any stretches that you feel that you need to make, maybe happy baby, this is a good time. Otherwise, just make sure you stay warm and release yourselves into your Shavasana. And your Shavasana should be a few minutes long. Make sure that your feet, your ankles, the whole of your legs and your hips, the whole of your back, belly and chest, your arms, neck, head, your whole body is relaxed. And for the next few moments, stay in Shavasana. If any thoughts come into your mind, let them pass like clouds in the sky. Keep your attention within and keep bringing yourselves back into your breath. Shavasana is the most important part of your practice. And whenever possible, you should stay in Shavasana until you have your fill.